Okay, a quick video tutorial on how to update the events and offers pages. We start with the events, so we go to the events page and we want to change these. Now, one of the key tips to bear in mind is once you've logged in and you go to, and it's about a third of the way down on the left, it's called events. Click on all events, they all appear. When they finish, don't delete them. Do them like I've done here, draft. Because then when you have the next one, you can just go in and edit it, and all you need to change is the date and the time. So we've got the curry night there for the 18th of Jan. We've got the pub quiz in there for the January the 15th. This is all the Christmas ones, so you can just switch them back on this Christmas and so forth. Same with the tribute nights and such. Right, so we want to add a new event. We click on new event. And then when you go to that, we can then copy and paste in the stuff, or you can type in the stuff that you want. So for me, we're going to do Burns Night. So we're going to do so I'm going to just pop into the title what it is, Burns Night. In this part, I'm just going to, best thing is just to keep it simple, but you can put as much content in there as you want. But I go to Google Images just to get a simple image, just to highlight what it is. So I'm going to just highlight all of these and upload them. And what we'll have is something to put in. So for Burns Night, so we're going to put this in. There it is, Burns Night, and then we're going to keep it center. Probably that size will be fine. We can always change the size later if we need to. And there it is. Probably need to change that size a bit. It's a bit puny. There we go. It's a bit better. So what I'm now going to put underneath here, and this is going to be special occasions. So it just keeps it nice and clean in terms of finding it, in terms of archives. We're going to put in the text, which is here. So if I just highlight that and then center it. Now for the date for this is the 25th. So start the 25th, finish the 25th. The time we've got, you haven't got a time actually, so perhaps you can go in and do that after this video. So I've got no time in there, so you put a time. Obviously we know where the venue is. It's Fox and Hounds. There we go, Fox and Hounds Wreatham. And we can also put the custom summary in here as well. So I can actually just paste that in, and there we got the same again. So we're going to save that or publish that, and we should see that appear. I'll get it going on the front end of the website. So let's go and have a look. So we go to front end of the website, we then refresh the page, and we should get, there he is. So Burns Night 25th. The only thing you have to add in there is the time, and then you've got all the business, all the stuff in there. So that's how it works. That's how you literally do an event. So into events, third of the way down, it's just underneath the formidable bit. Click on all events, add a new event, publish, and you can go in and edit it at any time. So once the 25th's gone, just go in and edit it, don't delete it, go to published, change the publish to draft, and then once you've saved it, so you click draft, click OK, click update, and then what will happen is it will disappear. So we just refresh the page, that will then go. So next year you can just go in, click it as, just republish it, obviously with the 2019 date, and you're good to go. And that's how it works, and that is how we add events to the events page.